Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Dear students, good noon to everybody. Love and affection to you. Today, I'm going to start my class. We will discuss today about a paragraph. As you have to write paragraph in English first paper examination, you know. So we are going to learn today how to write a paragraph. Okay, dear students, let's get started our class. So again, good noon to you, everybody. Students, now you see this is your Jamal sir speaking to you. This is your Jamal sir speaking to you. And here you see my address. And now students, you see there are some pictures on the screen. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, students, you see there are some
Yes, sir.
on the screen.
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you tell me what do the pictures signify here? Can you tell me what do the pictures tell us here? Try
Yes,
to
sir.
guess.
Early rising.
Very good, excellent. Excellent. Okay, students, you see the picture here is about early rising. All the pictures are related to early rising. Okay, now just wait. Okay, students, you see these pictures are related to early rising. Okay, then so we will discuss today about writing a paragraph on early rising. How to write a paragraph on early rising. Okay, so students, what are you going to learn today? You are going to learn how to write a paragraph on early rising. You are going to learn how to write a paragraph on early rising. Okay. My question is to you. Can you tell me what is early rising? Can you tell me what is
Yes, sir.
early rising? Students,
Habit of
Yes,
habit
sir.
of
habit
habit
of
of wake up
rising
early in
early.
the morning.
Very
Get
good.
up early in the morning.
Okay, a special thanks to Arifur Rahman. Very special thanks to Arifur Rahman. Okay, good, very good. Now let us know what is early rising. Now let us know what is early rising. So Arifur has already told us the definition of early rising. Good. You see,
So early rising.
is rising early in the morning. Early rising is rising early in the morning. Chinmoy, read this sentence.
Yes, sir. Early rising is rising early in the morning.
Good. Ahan. Ahan, are you present? Ahmed Hassan. Ahmed
Yes, sir.
Hassan,
Yes, sir.
what is early rising?
Early writing is rising early in the morning.
Good, very good. Okay, so you see, early rising means getting up early from bed in the morning. Getting up early from bed in the morning. খুব সকালে
Yes, sir.
ঘুম থেকে ওঠাকেই আমরা বলি সকালে ওঠা বা প্রত্যুষে ওঠা। Okay, dear students, now try to understand and learn by heart this line. প্রত্যেকে এই দেখার সাথে সাথে বোঝা এবং মুখস্থ করার বিষয়টা ক্লিয়ার করবে so that you can write a paragraph on this topic. So that everybody can write a paragraph on this topic. Okay, so now let's go to the next page. Now, students, my question is, who is an early riser? If I ask you, who is an early riser? Can you tell me who is an early riser? Arifur? Can you tell me who is an early
Who
riser?
is rise in early in the morning?
Good, very good. Okay, you see, the answer is the man who rises early is an early riser. The man who rises early. যে সকাল সকাল ওঠে সেই তো সকালে ওঠা ব্যক্তি, তাই না? You see, the question is, who is an early riser? We can say the man or the person who rises early in the morning from bed is an early riser. যে লোক খুব সকালে ঘুম থেকে ওঠে তাকে আমরা একজন সকালে ওঠা ব্যক্তি বলি। Good, very good. So now have a revision again. আমি আবার তোমাদেরকে বলছি, খেয়াল করো। Here are two questions you see. The first question was, what is early rising? The first question was, what is early rising? And the answer is, early rising is rising early in the morning. Or early rising means getting up early from bed in the morning. Okay, now students, you see the second question. What's the second question? What's the second question? Tell the question again.
Who is an early riser?
Good, very good. Very good. Okay, who is an early riser? Who is an early riser? And the answer is, you see, the man who rises early is an early riser. The person who rises from bed in the morning is called an early riser. Okay, students, now you see, or I hope these two questions and their answers are very clear to you. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It is clear.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now let's go to the next phase. Students, now you see there is another person on the screen. You see there is another person on the screen. What can he enjoy? What can he enjoy? Enjoy. সে কি enjoy করে, খেয়াল করো। Students, what can he enjoy? আমরা বলেছিলাম, the person who rises early in the morning is called an early riser. Now my question is to you, what can an early riser enjoy? What can an early riser enjoy? একজন early riser কি enjoy করে, কি উপভোগ করে বলো তো? এনজয় বলতে এখানে ভালো বিষয়টাকে বোঝানো হয়েছে, ভালো কিছু উপভোগ করাকে এনজয় বলে, এনজয়। ওকে,
He can enjoy morning air refresh.
good, he can enjoy morning fresh air. Good, Arifur, absolutely correct. Absolutely correct. He can enjoy the fresh morning air. He can enjoy much more benefits also, you see. Now
He can walk in the park also.
right, very good. Okay, now you see, he can enjoy morning prayer. First of all, he can ask his prayer. Ask his prayer. He can ask his prayer. Then the fresh air, sunrise, natural beauty, birds surfing, can have an opportunity to walk by the riverside and can also take some physical exercise. You see, what are the benefits of early rising? What are the benefits of early rising? What are the benefits of early rising? Okay, students, you see, an early riser can enjoy morning prayer, the fresh air, sunrise, natural beauty, bird surfing, can have an opportunity to walk by the riverside and can also take some physical exercise. Okay, is it clear? Now, Arifur,
Yes, sir.
Arifur Rahman.
Yes, sir.
Arifur Rahman, now, if I ask you, What can he enjoy? What will you say?
He can enjoy morning prayer, the fresh air, sunrise, natural beauty. Birds chirping, can have an opportunity to walk by the riverside, and can also take some physical exercise.
Good, very good. Hamim. Hamim, can you listen to me? Hamim? Hamim? Hamim, are you here? Mursalin?
Ji sir.
Okay, you read this answer here. What can he enjoy? Mursalin, you read from here.
He can enjoy morning prayer, the freshest air, sunrise, natural between birds.
Chirping?
Bird journey can have an opportunity to walk by the riverside and can also take some physical exercise.
Good, good. You see, this is surfing, and this is walk. Walk, okay. Nice reading. Okay, now students, let's go to next page. Now you see there is another question on the screen here. Why is early rising related to physical exercise? Students, try to guess fast. Why is early rising related to physical exercise? সকালে ওঠা কিভাবে শারীরিক ব্যায়াম এর সাথে সম্পৃক্ত? My question is to you, why is early rising related to physical exercise? সকালে ওঠা কিভাবে?
Sir, it is good for the health. That's why.
Okay, good. It is one of the points. It is one of points. Good. Okay, now let's see why it is related to physical exercise. Students, the answer is early rising is related to physical exercise. Early rising is related to physical exercise because it is the best time to take physical exercise. What's the reason? It is the best time to take physical exercise. এটা হলো শারীরিক ব্যায়াম করার সবথেকে উত্তম সময়. Especially walking in the morning is as beneficial. You see, especially walking in the morning, সকালে হাঁটা is as enjoyable as beneficial. উপভোগ্য উপকারীও। এটা উপভোগ্য এবং আরিফুর রহমান।
তোর কথা শুনতে পারতেছি না।
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
everybody make your sound mute. Those who don't respond, যারা ক্লাসে রেসপন্ড করো না তাদের সাউন্ড আনমিউট করার দরকার নেই। আমি বলেছি ক্লাস চলার সময় everybody will try to respond. All my students of this must respond. But some of you are class to our class. You are not attentive at all. But our cordial request to you to be serious, to be attentive to our classes from the beginning to end.
Yes,
okay, now Arifur Rahman, Hamim is back. Hamim is back. But sometimes...
Sir, আমার নেটে একটু প্রবলেম ছিল স্যার।
Okay, Arifur, now...
Sir, join দিলে স্যার অটোমেটিক স্যার কি
why is early rising related to physical exercise?
Early rising is related to physical exercise because it is the best time to take physical exercise. Especially walking in the morning is as enjoyable as beneficial.
Good. Hamim, now, Hamim, you will read. Hamim, you will read. Why is early rising related to physical exercise? Read from here.
Yes, sir.
Are you present and attentive to this class?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now listen to my question. Why is early rising related to physical exercise?
Early rising is related to physical exercise
Physical exercise.
because it is the best time of take physically exercise, especially walking in to morning is as enjoyable as
Beneficial.
sir, sir last year sir
Beneficial.
Beneficial.
oh
Beneficial.
beneficial.
Okay, now let's go to next page.
Okay.
Now,
Okay.
my question is to you, why is early rising necessary? Why is early rising necessary? Try to guess the answer. Try to guess the answer. Why is early rising necessary? Why should we get up early in the morning?
It is
What are the benefits of early rising? Why is it important for us? Okay, so
it is good
students, you
for
Yes,
see,
sir.
health.
the answer is
Only rising
early
necessary to keep
rising is
our body
necessary to
strong.
keep our body strong
I
and
will keep
stable,
our mind fresh
keep our mind fresh and fair, to maintain discipline of life and our regular activities properly. So we should be too habituated to early rising. Listen again. Why is early rising necessary? The answer is early rising is necessary to keep our body strong and stable, keep our mind fresh and fair, to maintain discipline of life and our regular activities properly. So we should be habituated to early rising. Okay. So students,
Yes, sir.
you have got some important ideas about writing this paragraph, about writing a paragraph on early rising. And here you see, I have showed you some questions and the answers also. Okay, now you see students, just you will see some questions on a topic, and by answering them, you will write a paragraph. Okay, students, you see, answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. Now, who can say or who can answer what is early rising? What is early rising? Who can say? I have already discussed about this paragraph.
Early rising is rising early in the morning.
Good, excellent, excellent performance. Early rising is rising early in the morning. Good. Early rising means getting up early from bed in the morning. Or you can say in another way. Okay, correct. Excellent. Okay. Number 2 question, you see, who is an early riser? Who is
The
an
man who rises
A man who
early
rises
is an
early
early
in the
riser.
morning.
Good, excellent, good performance, very good performance. The man who rises early is an early riser. The man who rises early is an early riser. Okay, I have already told you that you can tell or you can answer in your own way, in different way. In different way. Okay. Now, question number C. What is the benefit of early rising? What is the benefit of early rising? Can you tell me what is the
He,
benefit of
he,
early rising?
he can enjoy morning prayer, natural beauty. That's why it's a benefit of early rising.
Very good, very good. There are many benefits of early rising. There are many benefits of early rising. An early riser can enjoy fresh morning air, natural beauty, birds, surfing, opportunities to do or to finish his working time, opportunities to walk beside riverside, etc., etc. Or he can take exercise, physical exercise. All of these are the benefits of early rising. Correct?
Yes, sir, correct.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you see, তোমরা ক্লাসে খুব 2-3 জন কথা বলো আর বাকিরা কি ক্লাসে জয়েন করে চলে যায় না থাকলে ওরা কথা বলে না কেন? Why don't they respond?
স্যার আমার এখান থেকে না স্যার
যারা যারা ক্লাসে আছে
আমার এখানে তো স্যার নয়েজ আছে স্যার, এইজন্য
অনেক
স্যার আজকে
অনেক স্টুডেন্ট আছে যারা ক্লাসে শুরু থেকে শেষ পর্যন্ত একটা বারের জন্য ইয়েস নো বা কোনো কোশ্চেন তারা করে না, এবং এদেরকে ক্লাসে মার্ক করে আমি চেষ্টা করব আগামী ক্লাস থেকে না অ্যাডমিট রিপোর্ট করার যে অ্যাকচুয়ালি দে আর নট অ্যাটেন্টিভ, they don't participate the class attentively, they don't answer our questions,
Yes.
they don't ask any questions, etc, etc. Just they are the participants but they are not active at all. It's not fair at all. Okay, now you see the students, number 4 question, why should we rise early? Why should we rise early? Can you tell why should we rise early? তাহলে আমরা কেন সকালে উঠব?
Sir, we should rise early in the morning because it's
health our good.
good for
Because
good
it's
for our health.
Good for our health.
Good, very good, very good. We should rise early in the morning. দেখো এখানে কে বললে বলো, লাস্টে কে আনসারটা দিলা আমাকে বলো, who has
Sir,
given?
আমি দিছি।
সরি,
Sir, আমি।
নাম কি?
জিহাদ।
জিহাদ, ওকে। দেখো জিহাদ এতক্ষণ পরে, জিহাদ is one of the best students. Jihad is one of the best students of your class, but he doesn't respond. Can you imagine? But he can do, he can answer, but he is always silent. This is not fair at all.
Yes.
তোমরা কেন রেসপন্ড করো না? এই যে জিহাদ বলতেছে we should rise early in the morning because it is good for our health. Good. You can say much more sentences on this question. অনেক 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 সেন্টেন্স বলা যাবে। আমরা আরো বলতে পারি যে if we rise early in the morning we can get time, we can finish our working time, we can ask our prayer, তাই না? অনেক কথা এখানে বলা যাবে। So try to understand and try to answer. আরেকটা কথা খেয়াল করো, লাস্ট অফ অল স্টুডেন্টস, ইউ সি এই যে প্যারাগ্রাফ আর্লি রাইজিং সম্পর্কে একটা প্রবাদ বাক্য আছে, সেই প্রবাদ বাক্যটা দেখো, early to bed and early to rise, early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise. Everybody learn by heart this line. সবাই মুখস্থ করে ফেলো। Early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy.
Early to rise.
Jihad.
Yes, sir, I did.
Read out this sentence. Jihad.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Read this sentence.
Early to bed and early to rise make a man healthy, wealthy and wise.
Make or makes? Is it make?
Sir, makes.
Then read again.
Early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise.
Good. Okay, students, so hope you have got a fresh idea. You have got a fresh idea about this paragraph. Haven't you got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. We got it. Yes, sir.
Good. Okay. Are you confident? Are you confident to write? Are you confident to write this paragraph?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, students. So your homework for my next class is write a paragraph on early rising. Write a paragraph on early rising. What's your homework for my next class?
Early rising.
Write an paragraph of early rising.
Good, very good. Okay, goodbye, everybody. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz. Best of luck.
Assalamualaikum.
Wa alaikum.
Assalamualaikum.